Hey everyone, welcome to Vegworks. Today we're making an excellent starter that would set the mood for any party or any get together. It's spicy, crunchy and would definitely tantalize your taste buds. But before I begin, if you like what you see, please do subscribe as that would be an inspiration for me to make some more videos. So let's begin. We'd need some baby corn. I put it in the microwave for about 3 minutes. You could also put it in boiling water for 2 to 3 minutes. But you don't want to overcook this corn as it has to be crunchy. Into a bowl we'll add in some thick yogurt. We'll whisk this so it's nice and smooth. We'll add in a tablespoon of ginger garlic, some salt, some chaat masala, some chilli powder, finely chopped green chilli, finely chopped coriander leaves, some breadcrumbs, a tablespoon of cornflour, and about 2 tablespoons of fenugreek powder. This is Kasoori Methi. I've just powdered it. We'll give this a good whisk. We'll toss in the baby corns. And set this aside for about 5 minutes. It's been resting for a while. Now we need a few skewers like this. I've wet them up so that it doesn't burn. We'll put in a skewer through the corn. And coat this well. Like this. We can do the others. The pan is slightly hot. We need it very low heat. We'll just brush this with some oil. We'll keep turning it slightly so that it gets browned on all sides. It's nicely done. You can transfer it into a plate.